The World Health Organization and the International Labour Organization have called for concrete actions to address mental health concerns in the working population, saying that an estimated 12 billion workdays are lost annually due to depression and anxiety, costing the global economy nearly $1 trillion. 2 new publications, aimed at addressing the issue, were published, including WHO's Guidelines on Mental Health at Work and a derivative WHO and ILO policy brief. WHO's Global Guidelines on Mental Health at Work recommend actions to tackle risks to mental health such as heavy workloads, negative behaviors and other factors that create distress at work. WHO's World Mental Health Report, published in June, showed that of the 1 billion people living with a mental disorder in 2019, 15% of working-age adults experienced a mental disorder. As people spend a large proportion of their lives in work, a safe and healthy working environment is critical. We need to invest to build a culture of prevention around mental health at work, reshape the work environment to stop stigma and social exclusion, and ensure employees with mental health conditions feel protected and supported, said ILO Director General. The report said COVID-19 triggered a 25% increase in general anxiety and depression worldwide, exposing how unprepared governments were for its impact on mental health, and revealing a chronic global shortage of mental health resources.